what's going on today.
Let's go!
Let's go. Whole team here.
It's day 2 of Complexcon and things are getting off to a pretty crazy start.
What colors we got?
So it's 8 a.m. and I get a message from Cornelius, the founder of Zellerfeld, and his team to see if I wanted to join the Cybertruck drive-by.
All right, we in 3Ds now.
So I hopped in, they masked me up and gave me a smoke bomb, and we just pulled up to the side of Complexcon where everybody was standing and they're throwing shoes and clothes out the back until the cops literally boxed us in.
They're just throwing them out and it is absolute chaos.
Let's go.
Now luckily they didn't make any arrests. I'm not trying to spend the night in Las Vegas jail. I got a flight to catch to get back to the UK.
Give him a free t-shirt. You want a t-shirt? You want a t-shirt? You want?
Yeah. So I'll shoot you a text. We'll meet up in there. No.
The best sign spinners.
But now it's time to head into Complexcon because I'm on a mission to find the rarest sneakers at this event.
Alright, so when Travis Scott was saying that he was doing Cactus Con, he really meant it. There's so much Travis Scott stuff here, it's pretty crazy. Like, this whole place that we're in now with like these carpets, there's like all of these different stalls. I believe this is all something to do with Travis Scott. Like, there's a lot of different stores that I've never heard of before. Some of them I have and are pretty cool, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head to the Travis Scott merch place and see if there's anything left. Because I know yesterday the lines were like so massive, but if there is something left, I wouldn't mind picking up some of that stuff just to remember Complexcon. That's where we're headed. We gotta find that little dome and find Travis merch. All right, it's not looking great for the Travis Scott line. Oh shit, unless that's it. All right, well, we're in the line now. I don't know if this is like the best one. It just looks like random jerseys. All right, that's not the right one. That's just the soccer jerseys. That's not what we want. We want the actual Travis merch. That's what we're trying to find. Yeah. So I think this is the studio that Rick Owens designed for Travis. I don't know why it's here, why he ain't in it. I think this is the line for Travis. No way. Okay, we're cooked. Am I really waiting in this? All right, update, it's closed. It's limited to the first 1,000 people and it's been closed. Like, people have been lining up for ages, so we're not getting Travis merch. So this is Takashi Murakami's new slides. I think they're pretty expensive, but I don't know if he's like doing like a big release, so I think it might just be these. Yeah, they're just dropping here, no other ones, but they're pretty cool. They're pretty massive, like as in like size-wise, ginormous, but they look cool. At least something different. All right, so I don't know if you can see me. It looks pretty blown out all the way from over there, but day 2, a little bit slower. I thought there was going to be a bunch of unreleased sneakers here, and we could do a Sneaky Monday. I miss Sneaky Sunday, and I'm sorry guys, okay? But I'm going to try to get you some content of here that's hopefully fun. We just did a few laps. First one is Travis Scott. Could not make his merch spot, which was pretty annoying. And we did see a few like unreleased shoes, like a few unreleased Travises. We also got the Stash Air Max 95s and the Air Force Ones. I'm trying to see if Soleil Benberry's dropping something because I've seen him kind of like walking around and like meeting up with different people. So maybe he's got like something that's dropping here. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. But listen, it's about halftime, so we're gonna hit up a Rockstar and we're gonna chill out. We're in the back rooms. Let's go. Yo, the whole experience. Yo, what? Yo.
This is top secret, okay?
Yo.
It's has high radiation.
Okay.
Because it's out of this world.
This is nothing. You didn't see anything.
But you didn't see anything. Again, this is top secret.
Top secret. Just keep it moving.
Yeah.
Forget you saw anything.
You didn't see anything.
So this is Hidden NY, and this is their new A6 sneaker that's dropping, and then all of this. So they're doing like a small launch now, and then they're gonna do a bigger launch November at some point. That's insane. Insane. Story time. We left Complexcon relatively early. Felt like we kind of seen everything. We got a little bit sidetracked by gambling. I made 87 bucks. Long story short, we're headed back to Complexcon. Travis Scott is performing and we're gonna try and make it, so that's what's on the agenda now. I think we found Travis Scott merch, but nobody else here. Thank you so much. Well, we found it. And that's a wrap for Complexcon Las Vegas. It was a pretty crazy experience. I've never been to a Complexcon before. I think the biggest kind of sneaker event I've ever been to is SneakerCon, and this one was super different. A lot of different brands had some pretty crazy booths. I think Travis Scott was the main highlight for this event. Like, he had so many different sections of Complexcon. There was a bunch of different booths with all his merch. They had like the soccer jerseys, they had like the regular merch, some like collaboration stuff, and obviously him performing was a massive thing for a lot of people. I think my favorite part for the Travis Scott stuff had to be the display where he had every single Nike and Jordan brand and Travis Scott collaboration right there. There was so many, it actually made me realize, oh yeah, Travis Scott has done 8 billion different, Nike or Jordan sneakers, and it's just crazy to see them all in one place. There was also a lot of like unreleased sneakers that we got to see there, just like right before they dropped. Lil Yachty's shoes were on display, a bunch of different unreleased Travis Scott sneakers, and that's just to name a few. So yeah, overall, it was a pretty insane experience. Very, very glad I got to do it, and I think Las Vegas was a crazy place to do it. Also, a massive highlight for me was getting the opportunity to meet a ton of you guys. So everybody or anyone that came up to me and just said hello, thank you so much. It was just really, really cool to experience that and see all of you guys in person. It was dope. But listen, I got a flight to catch. I got to get back to the UK, back to the studio to pump out some more videos. So that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me on this journey. It was a ton of fun, and I'll see you guys back in the studio. Oh yeah, one last thing before I bounce. I do want to apologize for missing Sneaky Sunday, okay? Listen, I know, I get it, okay? But I will record a midweek re-up, which we can just count as a Sneaky Sunday, okay? So we'll get to that.